Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline coming to you today from our Atlanta headquarters, and I want to talk to you about curb rash on your Tesla wheels, a far too common topic for all of us Tesla owners. I love the look of the wheels, nice low profile tires, but they are prone to getting bumped and ground into curbs. And what does that do? Well, it wears away the paint on the edge of the wheel. We got a couple of examples here, and I've got a fix for you. A nice DIY, reasonably easy way to tune these up. Scratch it on a curb, no problem. T-Sportline touch-up wheel paint or wheel paint kit is gonna be the solution. Let me walk through the basics. First of all, we created this Tesla wheel touch-up paint way back in 2013. The very first ones to make touch-up paint for Tesla wheels. And what's special about this is it's actually a wheel paint that's built in spec to last in the rough and tough environment of being on a wheel. Secondarily, it's an exact match to the Tesla factory colors. That's why we have so many different versions. There's a bunch of different Tesla wheels. A lot of them have different colors, but rest assured on our website, you can pick the paint that's an exact match for your specific wheels. And this paint is wheel paint. This is not just any old paint that we've kind of matched to your wheel. It's designed to live in the rough environment of being on a wheel. All right, there's two options that we offer. You can get just the paint, and this is gonna be what you'd expect. You shake it up. It's got a mixer ball in there, and it's got an integrated brush right on here. So you're gonna clean your wheel and touch it up almost like it's nail polish. It's a very similar process. What's another advantage of the T-Sportline wheel paint is this is 1 fluid ounce. It's 30 milliliters. So a lot more, most people offer kind of half that, but we've seen plenty of wheel scratches and we know that the extra paint is gonna be what you need. Now, if you wanna go a little bit further, we offer a full kit here. The kit is going to include, of course, the paint, but it's going to include some sandpaper sets here. This is a tool for using on the sandpaper on the wheel, and we've got 3 different grades. So we've got a rough grade, a medium grade, and then a finishing grade on the sandpaper. You simply put one of the pads on this tool here, and then you can sand this out smooth. So wherever we have the scratches, you can smooth them out as a first step. As a second step, we're gonna wash off the wheel, let it dry, and then we're gonna use our cleaner wipe, which is an alcohol-based cleaner. It's gonna make sure that the surface is ready for proper paint adhesion. Then we're gonna shake vigorously. You need to shake this for a long time. And when you look at the jar, you want the paint all to be the same color. I literally will normally shake this for 5 straight minutes. Maybe watch some TV, listen to a couple of songs on the radio, 2 or 3 songs of shaking, and get it fully shaken up. And then you can just very carefully paint this on the wheel, let it dry. I like to let it dry overnight, but it's gonna be tack-free within an hour or so, depending on the temperature. And of course, when it's all done, microfiber towel, you can wash and rub off the paint on here and make it look perfect. All right, everybody, I hope this is a nice intro to the T-Sportline Tesla wheel touch-up paint, matched specifically to your Tesla wheels, available from tsportline.com. Make sure you give me a thumbs up for the video, drop a comment below, let me know what you think, any questions, anything like that. I'm gonna read the comments, and subscribe to the channel and come back soon because we've got a lot more coming your way.